How to delete Safari on iPhone. Let's get started. In order to delete any app in your device, all you have to do is long press on it. With that, different options will pop up. You have to select the option of Remove App. You will get the option of Delete App. Likewise, you can apply the same process for Safari. Long press on your Safari app. Click on the option Remove App, but you won't find the option to Delete App, as Safari is an inbuilt app on iPhone. So what you can do is open your settings app, open your screen time option. Now head towards the option of content and privacy restrictions. At the very top, you can see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Toggle on for that option. After you do that, head towards the option of allow red apps. Now over here, you will find the app Safari. You have to toggle off for this option. With that, you will be good to go. Now you won't be able to find Safari app in your device. So this was all for this video. This is how you can delete Safari on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.